Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is missing numbers. Dear students, in this part I will show when some numbers will be given and some gaps are given, then we have to write the numbers in the gaps. It means that we have to fill up the gaps by number. These numbers which are used to fill up the gaps is known as missing numbers. Okay, dear students, now see. Write the missing numbers. Dear students, here you see in the first question some numbers are given here. 51, 52, here is a gap given, and here is another number 54 given, and there are two gaps, there is 57 and here is a gap, and here is 59, here is another gap. Here 5 gaps are given, we have to fill up these 5 gaps by using some numbers. Dear students, now see, to write the numbers we have to remember that here we have to see the number before the gap and the number after the gap. Here the number before the gap is 52, and the number after the gap is 54, here after the first gap. So dear students, you know the numbers from 51 to 52, 51 to in this you will get 60. So write the numbers here. You know the numbers 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. After 59 we will get 60. Dear students, if you notice here, you know this number, just see, after 1 in one's place, 2 in one's place and 3, after 2 one's place is 3, it means that the number must be 53 here. It means that after 52 the number is 53, and after 53 the number is 54. After 54, what is the number here? Here one's place is 5, it means the number is 55. So after 54 the number is 55. Now the next number after 55, the next number is 56, so we can write 56, and here is 57 given. Dear students, now see, after 57 what is the number here? 58, so we can write here 58. To fill up the blanks we can write 58 here, and here is 59 given, so after 59 we will get the number 60, as after 9 one's place must be 0 in the next number. So here is 60, here is 60 is the next number. So we have filled the gaps by using numbers. Now we have to go to the next question. Here are some numbers given and some gaps are also given. Here the number started from 71 and the last number is 80. So dear students, you know the numbers from 71 to 80. Write the numbers here. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and then 80. Dear students, you know this number. As you know this number, so if you notice here, after 72 the number is, so after 71 the number is 72. After 71 the number is 72. So we have to write 72 here, and here is 73 given. So after 73, dear students, if you see the number, that is 74. So we can write here 74. And after 74 the number is given 75, so we can write here 75. Now after 76, here 76 is given. After 76 the number is 77, so we can write here 77. Now after 77 here is a number that is 78, so we can write here 78. Now after 78 the number given 79, and after 79 the number is 80. This is also given. So we have filled the gaps. Okay, dear students, now see the last question, question C. In these questions also some numbers are given and some gaps are given. Dear students, we have to fill up these gaps by using numbers. Dear students, you know, before 82 here is a gap. You know that before 82 the previous number is 81. So number started from 81. So this will be 81. And here is 82. After 82 we will get 83. After 83 we will get 84. And after 84 we will know 85. And then 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. So dear students, now see here, 82 is given, 83 is given. Now gap in 84. After 83 the number is 84. So 84. Now after 85 we know the number that is 80. After 84 the number is 85 we know. So we can write here 85. Now 86 is given. After 86 which number comes? After 86 the number 87 comes. 87 comes. Okay. Now see, 88 is given, 89 is given, 88, 89, and after 89 the number is 90. The number is 90. So we can write here 90. Okay, dear students, you have seen that these questions are very easy. These questions are very easy, as we have learned from 51 to 100 how to write the numbers, and using that numbers we can fill up these gaps. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. That's all for today. Dear students, remember that today I did not give you homework. There is no homework today, but you have to remember that I have given your homework in the previous classes. Dear students, those who did not submit all the homeworks, submit your missing homeworks. Dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.